Is criticizing or terming a judgment verdict by a High Court and or Supreme Court is contempt of court?
No. Our constitution specifies that all of us are bound by the judgment of court. There is no dispute that we are all required to follow the judgment. But constitution also provides a right to every citizen to criticize every judgment. While doing so, every person has to take care. What is the care? Don't criticize Justice Nagmohan Das judgment. Criticize Karnataka High Court judgment. Your criticism shall be constructive and healthy. Your criticism shall not dismantle the very democratic institution of judiciary which is built on sacrifices. Your criticism shall not erode the confidence of common man. Because already common man has lost his confidence in legislative and executive. Even if he loses on judiciary, anarchy will prevail. Subject to these restrictions, if the criticism is there, Indian constitution provides and permits one.